Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious tiramisu using digestive biscuits. This easy guide will help you create a delightful dessert without any fuss. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients and preparing the coffee. Then, we'll craft a rich, creamy mascarpone mixture, ensuring every step is straightforward for a perfect, impressive treat. Now, let's focus on our luscious mascarpone cream. Whisk 3 egg yolks with 75 grams of sugar until they are light and fluffy, almost like a cloud. Then, carefully fold in 250 grams of creamy mascarpone cheese. Mix until it's perfectly smooth and lump-free. This rich, velvety cream is the heart of our tiramisu, providing that irresistible texture and flavor. With our cream ready, it's time to assemble. Quickly dip each digestive biscuit into the cooled coffee, just for a few seconds so they don't get too soggy. Arrange a single layer in your dish, then spread a generous, even layer of our mascarpone cream over them. Repeat this process, building up delicious layers, and always finish with a smooth, thick layer of cream on top. Almost there, cover your tiramisu tightly and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours. Overnight chilling is even better, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. Just before serving, dust the top generously with unsweetened cocoa powder. Then, simply slice into your masterpiece and enjoy this incredibly easy, yet utterly delicious, homemade tiramisu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.